ZANU-PF officials are once again signaling the intention to push President Emmerson Mnangagwa beyond his constitutionally mandated 2 terms, with local government minister Daniel Garwe openly declaring plans to amend the constitution to allow the president to rule until 2030. Nezanda pina mashoko arubura pachena anyasikuonekwa kunzi. Aiwa kune vanhu the ruling party ZANU-PF varikuya panguva ine vachiti we are going to persuade mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe kuti atonge kusvika 2028. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda munhauzvizere mukudanyo kwamuchinze. Speaking at the commissioning of Murerekwa Clinic in Zaka yesterday, Garwe, who also serves as ZANU-PF Mashonaland East Provincial Chairman, tied with the move to Vision 2030, claiming the extension was necessary to take Zimbabwe to the promised land. He also oversaw the handover of a $400,000 fire tender, over 30 motorbikes, and other service vehicles purchased using devolution funds, measures he touted as evidence of the president's transformative leadership. When we go to Mutare for the annual National People's Congress of ZANU-PF, me and other provincial chairmen are going to call for the implementation of resolution number 1, that President Mnangagwa should remain the ruling party first secretary and the president until he sees through his vision in 2030 and beyond, Garwe said. He justified the push for constitutional amendment by portraying the president as a constitutionalist whose leadership must continue uninterrupted. The onus is now on us. The sons and daughters of Zimbabwe are happy with the direction our country is taking under his good ordained vision to effect constitutional changes that will allow him to govern up to 2030, Garwe said. Garwe also argued that Mnangagwa's term should be extended to compensate the setbacks caused by Cyclone Idai in 2019 and the COVID-19 pandemic, claiming that President had to divert $750 million from other priorities to manage these crises. We can call it an extension of President's time in office or compensation because the President lost 4 years of his time in office, he said. Critics, however, argue that Garwe's statement reveals an administration more focused on entrenching personal power than delivering meaningful change, while ministerial speeches highlight flashy projects such as clinics, conference centers, and motorbikes for councillors. Many question whether these initiatives genuinely improve the lives of ordinary Zimbabweans or simply serve as political theater to justify a prolonged presidency. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ine pamusoro pe-extension kutonga kwemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pina comment section yedu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chinotomba bell icon.